How to use Vidiq for your YouTube videos. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. In today's video, we're going to be discussing how you can use a software called Vidiq for your YouTube videos. So if you have a YouTube channel where you create videos, any type of videos, and you want some, for your channel to grow, for your views to grow and stuff like that, then this video is for you because we're going to be using Vidiq accordingly for your video and, working along with it greatly. So just do make sure to watch this video till the end and listen to all the instructions that I have to provide you with, because if you do that properly, then I guarantee you that by the end of this video, you're going to properly know how to use Vidiq for your YouTube videos. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So we're just going to go ahead and write Vidiq over here. And here we can see Vidiq.com. Vidiq boost your views and subscribers on YouTube. So basically that's what it does. And even if we come here and we see what is Vidiq used for, Vidiq is an SaaS product designed to help YouTube creators find topic and keywords for their videos. The tool also has a robust YouTube SEO feature set that assists with creating SEO-friendly titles, descriptions, and tags. So what we're going to do is we're going to head right into the Vidiq section, and here we are. Designed to boost your YouTube videos, get free insights and guidance to keep your YouTube channel growing. Now, obviously, if you come down here, we can see all the different people that use Vidiq. We have all these different people, and you can see that they all trust Vidiq a lot. And look at these tons of people with tons and tons of subscribers and all these views. Like, look at this, a very famous YouTuber by the name of Chad Wild Clay. Vidiq helps me in many ways. One is their video boost, which finds the most relevant keywords and tags, and this person has 5 billion views. Like, how crazy is that? So now if we come down here, we can see it also has a web extension. Meet the most advanced growth tools for video creators. Understand what's working for your channel. Track and compare your performance in real time so you never miss an opportunity to get more views and make more money from your videos. You can also boost your YouTube views by discovering keywords, titles, and description recommendations designed to get you more views and the subscribers for free. Now with AI baked in, daily ideas to give you personalized inspiration to boost your growth, save hours researching, see into the future, break new ground, and all these different things. Supercharge your YouTube channel today. Now, to obviously do that, we're first of all going to go ahead and we're going to talk about their pricing, because that's the main thing that comes before getting into a product. So when we go into their pricings here, we can see plans that scale with your YouTube channel and audience. They have the basic plan, the pro plan, the boost plan, and the max plan. Now, in the basic plan, we have all these different things like daily ideas, competitor tracking, trend alerts, support, academy, and obviously with the Chrome and Firefox extension, we have all these different features with the web suite, my coach, and everything like that. So we can do any of this, but obviously we're going to be using the basic one, and it's totally free. It's not a trial or anything. You can use it unlimitedly. So we're going to go with get started for free. We're going to wait for it to load, and here it is. So it's loaded. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create an account for ourselves. Now, creating an account is very easy. It's very convenient. All you're going to need to do is just add your email. And once you add your email, you're going to need to create a password for yourself. So I'm just going to do that right now. There we go. And then you're just going to click on create your account. Now, once you click on create your account, it's going to bring you here where it's going to give you all these plans and pricings. But obviously, we're going to be using the basic plan. So for that, what you can do is obviously just click away with it, or click on manage your plans or something like that, or you can just go straight ahead into it and download any extension that you want. Now once you're here, you're going to click on dashboard on the top left, and here it says add your YouTube channel. Get the most out of Vidiq. In order to unlock Vidiq features, you must add your YouTube channel. Custom recommendations powered by AI, performance comparisons, analytics, and subscriber analysis. So from here on out, what you're going to do is you're going to add your YouTube channel. Now, once you connect your YouTube channel with Vidiq, it's going to ask for some authorization, some authentication, and once you allow it, what's going to happen is you're going to get loaded over here. So just make sure to do that as quick as you can. So sometimes it may give you errors. It may take like a few minutes to work around with what you're seeing. So for that, all you're going to do is just try it once again. And once you try it once again, it's going to take you straight into your channel. Now, as you can see, it's done, and we're going to click to continue for free. Welcome to Vidiq. Here are 5 steps to make sure you get the most out of Vidiq. Confirm your email address by clicking the link in the email we sent to you. Subscribe to Vidiq for tips, and watch this video to get started. Now, once we have searched everything over there, we can see keywords can help us to tell what your channel and videos are about. You could just, add stuff like maybe your channel is about gaming, or anything from games, or what type of games you play, and more stuff like that. So you can add that just to make it easier for you, and then you can also get daily ideas for what you can create, and then to do more, you also have your monetization tracker over here, like how many subscribers you have, how many subscribers you need to get monetized, and how much watch time you need to be monetized. So you have all those features over here, and then obviously go into daily ideas. In here you can get ideas for your videos, what to do, how to get more views, more subscribers. Then you go in keywords, and here obviously you add different keywords, and you can see what keywords are rising nowadays on YouTube, and whatever those keywords are rising, according to that, you can create your video just to make it easier for yourself to come more on the main page of YouTube. Then you can also compare your performances with other people if you want to. You can also manage your subscribers, analyze what your subscribers are watching, and much more. You also have the different SEO boost and subscriber boost and stuff like that. So yeah, you have all these different things that you can mess around with, and make your YouTube experience much better. So yeah, and finally, you can also download the extension to so it can give you live updates while your YouTube is open, and it works pretty great. It provides you great insight and helps you optimize your videos when you install the extension. So yeah, that's basically about it. That is how you use Vidiq for your YouTube videos. So I hope this tutorial was extremely helpful to you. And if you need any more videos like this, please do tell me. I am always available, and I will give you the easiest step-to-step guide for any type of videos that you demand. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know down in the comments. Yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. Before signing off, please like and subscribe to the channel, and leave down a nice comment if you watch the video. And please don't forget to share this video with any of your friends in need or your family. And I hope you all have a great day. So until next time, I'll see you later, and goodbye.